Hi everybody, my name is Johan and welcome to my shop. Before we begin, I have an announcement to make. The announcement is that I cannot make the announcement now. I can only tell you that in the next couple of months, some exciting news is going to take place. The reason I cannot say yet is because I don't exactly know when. Back to the project of the day. A while ago, my sister sent me this picture and asked me, can you make it? Because she wants one. And I said, yeah, sure, I can make it. It's a fairly simple design. You can see it's a shelf to put your toilet rolls in, but with the X's and O games theme, it's really nice. I think it's quite cool. But as you know, I like to challenge myself. I'm on this journey of learning new skills, becoming better every single day. It's the whole theme of my channel is by taking action and making yourself better in whatever it is that is your passion or what you're doing. As I'm doing the same, I'm trying to inspire you guys to do the same as well. I'm going to use this design. I'm going to challenge myself to make this without using any screws, just glue. Also, I'm going to practice doing those joints where the two planks slide into one another like this. If you understand, you'll see it now. So the two, when you join it like this, you cut them out so they slide and become part of one another. So that's something I haven't done a lot. I haven't really worked with a lot of wood joints, and it's something that I want to do more. I made this quick plan of everything that I need, the cutting list and everything. First I have to start by cutting these lengths, and then we'll start working on the joints and the corners and everything. All right, everything is marked. So these ones, I just have to remove one section here, and then they will fit together top and bottom. This is the part that will slide in to the outside frame. So this is the outside frame. So in these ones, I'm going to cut this away halfway, and this is going to be cut 45. Now, just to remove this part, first I'm going to just make a little marks on both sides. That is to prevent the wood from breaking out. That's quite beautiful, I think. So I got the chisel stuck in the wood, and I don't want to beat it out because I might damage the wood, but this is like, so how does that happen? That's all done. I'm just going to give it a quick sand. The wood is smooth. I would just want to smooth it out a bit more and get the pencil marks off and everything. So. And now I'm going to glue all of this together. Once the glue is dried, I'll do a final sanding of this, and then it's only painting that's left. The joints came out really nice. I think it's called a half lap joint. So they came out really nice. Using the half lap joint method, I'm also going to make the 3 X's that will go in the center. So let's make those X's. So here's the X's. They, it's quite simple, like this. They will fit inside here. So I'm also going to glue them now. So I'm going to just apply some glue. Use one of these saw sticks to make sure the surface is covered quite nicely, thoroughly. And then this one. All right, now it's time to clamp this, which is going to be really interesting. Oh, it's going to be very interesting. Okay, challenge accepted. Now we just have to let this glue do its job. Do what it was made to do. All right, I had to use some extra clamps just to correct some from the tension. One or two things were slightly misaligning, so I literally actually used all my clamps this time. So if any of you were wondering how many clamps do I have, this is how many. So in the picture, you saw that it was painted like a black or dark gray color, and it had a backboard. I decided in my version, I'm not going to put a backboard on it so that you can actually see the wall. If you mount it on the wall, you can see the color of the wall through it. I think it will look really nice doing it that way. And my sister requested a natural wood finish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the frame in a really light varnish, so we preserve this light color of the pine. And then the 3 X's, I'm going to use this stain that somebody gave to me as a sample, so I don't really know what it is. There's no labels on it, but I'm going to use that. We will still be able to see the nice wood grain, but it will make it slightly darker. So we do have distinction between the frame and the X's or the crosses. You see, this is a really nice color. This is going to give it like a really nice wood color, I think. All right, I've done everything on the inside, and because I'm a clever boy, I did not do the outside, so I can touch it to turn this around, and then all I need to do is this edge on the top here and the sides, just like that. Cool. All right, it's done. Looks quite nice. I packed it the same way as the picture, but obviously you can rearrange it any way you want. It turned out to be really nice. It's a nice little fun project to make so you can liven up your bathroom a little bit and give your TP some honored space to sit in. You'll notice that there's these gaps here. It's because I measured this hole so that it can fit any toilet paper. So I just put some 1-ply in here, but 2-ply rolls are much bigger, and this will actually fit 2-ply rolls as well. So I measured various rolls before I did this to make sure that any kind will fit inside here. The shading of this, I think it came out perfectly to keep a natural wood look. It really looks really nice. This is a fun project. You can paint it, put a backing onto it, make it a shelf that can stand somewhere. You can make it a shelf that hangs on the wall. It's really versatile. You can make it any colors you want. Make these crosses different colors if you want. It's a really nice thing to do. I hope you liked this. If you did, please consider subscribing and sharing this video with somebody who might like something like this to make a project like this. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Until our next project, make your best life. Storing your toilet paper, but it's done in the, as you can see, in this X's and O method. So my cut didn't go all the way through, and I'm standing here thinking to myself, what? I've done this before. And then I remember I still have the depth set for the cutouts that I made, so I have to take that off. Oh shit.